guys, Lisbeth here. I want to do a quick and dirty opening of my Walmart beauty box. This is the Trendsetter one for fall of 2018. I have already unboxed my Walmart beauty box classic one for fall of 2018. I'll put that below if I think about it. Otherwise, I'm going to try to remember, you know, what is and isn't in it to compare, because I've already used most of the stuff out of that box. So this is Embrace Your Beauty, and I'm filming in the dead of night, so this is about my only spot to have a little bit of light on the subject. And that looks like a pretty well filled box. First thing I see, my collagen hydrogen lip patch. I did get one of these in the classic, so it's nice to have another one in the Trendsetter. The Cetaphil cleansing bar. So I use body lotion. My husband uses soap, so he will enjoy that. And we did get one of these in the classic box. Like I said, this is the Trendsetter box. The Walmart beauty boxes are $5 a quarter. They are, you pay for the shipping and handling, not necessarily for the products inside. This is my kitty Ghost. My kitty Mosby, which is the gray kitty, is around somewhere. Okay, and I also got a Cetaphil. In the other box, there was a Cetaphil, I want to say a lotion or something. I already used it, but that's the only Cetaphil product in this box. Specific to my Trendsetter box, I have the Biore Charcoal, great for oily skin, good because that's what I have. Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. So that'll be good because I'm almost out of makeup remover, and it's supposed to be really good for eye makeup. I have a Freeman Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. So the mask in the other one was a charcoal foaming mask. There they are, having fun playing with each other. The black one is Ghost, the gray one is Mosby. So that will be fun. I do like masks, so I'll be using that. The La Bella Smoothing Shampoo and Styling Gel. I've never heard of this kind of product, La Bella with avocado oil, so that will be fun to try that. And it's a shampoo, but this isn't a conditioner, it's a styling gel, so that's interesting. Nivea 48-hour lotion packet. I did receive one of these in the other box, in the classic, and this is the Trendsetter again. The Kleenex wet wipes. This is a pack of 8 wet wipes. The other one had a single packet of wet wipes to try. Now this was in this one and the other one. It's a Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. So if I've tried Great Lash before, I do not recall, so it will be good to try at least one of them, and if I like it, well, there I have 2. So, and we've got one other thing, which I did not receive in the other basket. I'm trying to get it to focus. Maybelline. It's a Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Now, I have tried the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner, and I've tried the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner, and they kind of, I don't like them very well. They kind of go up into my fine lines. I will see how this Maybelline Liquid Liner works for me. These are just extra papers at the end discussing Great Lash, the Maybelline talking about the eyeliner, the Nivea products, and the Cetaphil. So I would say that was a pretty decent box. I do like to get both. A lot of times the classical trend towards anti-aging products, which I did not receive any this month, and the Trendsetter trends more towards makeup. So I've got the Kleenex wipes, a mascara and an eyeliner, a water gel mask, a shampoo and styling gel foil packets, a Nivea lotion foil packet, the Biore micellar water, the cleansing water, so that'll be interesting. the lip gel, I did use the one out of the other box, and it really didn't make much difference to my lips, but my lips don't really chap all that often, so, because I keep product on it all the time, so. The Cetaphil. Let me know what you think. Is this a good box? Did you receive the same? And I will talk with you later. Bye.